The new year is a time of celebration and reflection. It marks the beginning of a fresh chapter in our lives, filled with hope, new opportunities, and the possibility of positive change. The transition from one year to the next is often accompanied by festivities, resolutions, and a sense of renewal. The new year is a time for setting goals and making resolutions. Many people take this opportunity to reflect on the past year and identify areas of improvement in their lives. Common resolutions include improving health, pursuing personal or professional goals, or cultivating positive habits. The new year provides a sense of motivation and a fresh start, encouraging individuals to strive for personal growth and positive change. Celebrations during the new year vary across cultures and countries. Fireworks, parties, and gatherings with loved ones are common ways to welcome the new year. These celebrations are often filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of togetherness. It is a time for families and friends to come together, share special moments, and create lasting memories. The new year is also a time for reflection and gratitude. It allows us to look back on the past year, acknowledging both the achievements and the challenges we have faced. Reflecting on our experiences helps us gain perspective and learn from our mistakes. It is an opportunity to express gratitude for the positive moments and the people who have supported us throughout the year. In addition to personal reflections, the new year often brings about a sense of optimism and hope for the future. It represents a blank canvas, a chance to start anew and make positive changes in our lives. The new year sparks a sense of excitement and anticipation for what lies ahead, offering a fresh perspective and the opportunity for growth and transformation. The new year also serves as a reminder to cherish and prioritize our relationships. It encourages us to reach out to loved ones, express appreciation, and strengthen bonds. The new year is a time to show gratitude for the people in our lives and to make a conscious effort to foster meaningful connections. Furthermore, the new year is often associated with resolutions related to self-care and well-being. It is a time to focus on our physical, mental, and emotional health. Many people engage in activities such as exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness practices to start the year on a positive note. Taking care of ourselves allows us to be more present, focused, and resilient as we navigate the challenges and joys of the coming year. In conclusion, the new year is a time of celebration, reflection, and renewal. It is a time for setting goals, making resolutions, and striving for personal growth. The new year brings about a sense of optimism, hope, and gratitude. It is a time to cherish relationships, prioritize self-care, and embrace the possibilities of the future. Whether through celebrations, resolutions, or moments of introspection, the new year offers a fresh start and a chance to create a more fulfilling and meaningful life.